Alright guys, today we're going to talk about VNC Viewer, installing VNC Viewer, VNC Server. It's quite important for accessing the central server because you won't be having root access. If you're using your own system, you could have installed any disk and use straightforward process, right? But most of the servers, due to security and all, there won't be such application. Talk about the central server. So first, generally for academics as well as corporate, you will have a VPN, secure connection, and you will have access to the local network through VPN, and you have this VNC server running on the server, and you can view the desktop, right? And definitely, I would suggest to use desktop because you will definitely need a multiple terminal to increase your workflow speed and even the GUI as well. Like um, if I use a single terminal, it's going to be hard um, to do multiple tasking, to multitask, and the through X11, if I directly launch a GUI, it's going to be very slow. Um, so let me just show what I meant. Uh, Storm. Yep, so I'm going to install, since I'm working on my own server, I'm going to remove everything what I have and reinstall everything from scratch. That's what the video is about. Alright, so I'm going to SSH. I'm already in my local network, otherwise I would need my VPN. Um, Alright, I'm in, and so if I want to launch any GUI like VS Code, it's going to take some time, right? And yeah, so it takes quite a while. And if I want to copy command, transfer files here and there, it's very hard to work from a single terminal, right? I can open multiple terminals here. If you're in a Mac or other Linux system, it's still you can do multiple SSHs, but still Um, so I have already set up everything in the server. So in your case, if you're accessing a central server, that should be the case. Um, so it should be like you can just start VNC server. You have your username, a password assigned to that server, and you already log in using SSH. And now you just launch the VNC server. Okay, I was already running it. You can kill whatever you ran earlier by using this. Whenever you run multiple VNC server, uh, you, uh, for example, I'm starting one and it's in this, right? And if I rerun again, it's gonna be two, right? So it will keep going. So let me kill this. I don't need two of them. And now the server has been already started, and those files, okay, and the password can be set up if you're setting up this for the first time. If you're launching the VNC server for the first time, it's going to ask for password. Otherwise, you can always go here and change the password. Um, all right, no, okay, and yeah, password is set. Server is up. Now you need a VNC viewer to view the desktop, right? And I would prefer to put, let me close this for a while. Person. Yep. So we have this. I'm gonna connect it, and the viewer that I'm using right now is tigervnc viewer. I'm gonna try RealVNC as well, and we are using tigervnc right now. Yep. So let me minimize this and enter the password that we just set. Yep. All right. So that's it. We have the remote desktop. Yeah, so you can start your work peacefully, play around, and increase your workflow with multiple terminal, multiple GUI. Okay, and by chance, if you close this terminal by mistake, you can, and you logged out, and if you log in again, and it will be still there. Enter the password. Yeah, as you can see, it's sorry. Yeah, it's still here. Cool. I'm gonna close this. So this would be the case for most case, like everything will be up and running. In my case, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the server and the viewer from scratch. First of all, let's remove it. And I'm going to try, okay, I'm going to remove the Tiger VNC first and install Real VNC. And so the difference. Okay, so yum Tiger VNC. So there are three things: Tiger VNC, Tiger VNC server, and then Real VNC viewer. Cool. So yes, and where can you get the Real VNC from? You can get it from here. If you go to this link, I'm gonna put this link in the description. You can just Google it. You can download the RPM files. So if you just Google Real VNC, if you click here, so you can download the RPM files, download, or the Real VNC Connect, which is this is the tar file and this is the RPM file. These are the two files that I've downloaded already. So let us go to CD download. And if you go to this tar file, there is this VNC Connect installer, which is right here. You can use this to install it, or you can directly use RPM. Right. So let's start with this first. /VNC connect installer. You have to be a super user, and this GUI will pop up, accept and install, and will automatically install the things. I'm going to cancel it for now because I'm going to install using the RPM files, RPM UV8 and then VNC RPM. Okay, it's already installed. Cool. So if I exit this and VNC viewer, this should be RealVNC now because I've already removed the tigervnc and installed VNC viewer, RealVNC. Continue. Password. Okay. Yep. Now we have the VNC. The color is quite off. But anyway, so this is RealVNC. It's a bit faster. It's faster than the why am I not able to go? Okay. Oh wow. Anyway, it's faster than the tigervnc for sure. Yeah, it's definitely faster than tigervnc. But the color is quite off. I need to see how to change the setting, but yeah, this is one of the options. Okay, now I'm going to remove this. So RPM minus E. No, we have to be in PM minus E. Okay, these are the packets. Download. Okay, so this is the RPM file. This is the package name. I need to use the packet name. Okay, let's remove this. And I'm gonna put this instead. Cool. Why is it taking time? Yeah, I think it's already installed. So RPM. No, okay, so VNC viewer. Since we have removed both RealVNC and tigervnc, it's VNC viewer. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to remove the VNC server. Yum remove VNC tigervnc-server. Yes. Okay, cool. We're good. So this is the fresh server without anything, without any VNC server. So VNC server, we shouldn't get anything, right? All right. So this will be the case for you, um, because the admin of the server will be definitely setting up all this for you, starting from VPN, and the VNC server. Even the viewer, you can install it on your system. Yeah, so let's install the server first. Yeah, install Tiger VNC server. Yes. Okay. And then yeah, install. Yeah, I want to install one thing. Snap. You can install the Tiger VNC using Snap. Tiger VNC. There's an issue which I wanted to solve. Okay, so Tiger VNC. Did I say it's without X? Tiger VNC because of wrong authentication. This works fine. Yeah. Anyway, so Tiger VNC crashed. It will pop up the GUI. This is some other issue which I'll fix later on. Pops up, and then whenever I enter the server local domain, it always crashes. So via snapd doesn't work. So I'm gonna remove Tiger VNC. Okay. I still have RealVNC installed. Okay, so that might be the reason. Okay, Um, okay. Also, yeah, okay. Which VNC server is here. So not be detected for um hmm, okay. Yeah, so the reason was I was not running the full. I canceled it in between. Okay, let's see. Then yeah, so yeah, we are good. Already started server. We are starting the tigervnc and we enter the password and we have the desktop. Cool. Yeah, it's a little bit slower as compared to uh, RealVNC, but yeah, I think I need to reduce the resolution. That is definitely the case. Otherwise, we are good. Okay, that's all for today. What else? Yeah, I'm gonna put all the commands for installing, to launch the server, to kill, to view, to launch the viewer, everything on the description. And ciao, guys.